तो गाइस वेलकम बैक टू वैंडरबॉन्ड्स। तो जैसा कि आपने लास्ट एपिसोड में देखा, हम लोग कैसे ठंड में निकलते हुए पहुंचते हैं पंचगनी एंड पहुंचते पहुंचते शाम हो गई थी एंड वी हैड नथिंग टू डू दैट डे। बट नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वी वेंट टू पारफी पॉइंट एंड टेबल लैंड व्यू पॉइंट। और उसके बाद we went straight to IBW event, and if you have not watched all that, link is there in the description. So next day we started our day by heading towards Pratapgarh Fort. This fort is from Maharaja Shivaji's era and structure itself is very thoughtfully designed. We hired a guide here जिन्होंने हमें फोर्ट के बारे में सब कुछ बताया, शिवाजी महाराज के बारे में सब कुछ बताया, कब ये फोर्ट बनाया गया and all that. I have purposefully muted him in this video because I want, if you are visiting this place, I want you to please hire these people because they have ample knowledge about all this whole fort and about this area, Shivaji Maharaj and everything, and we should support them. और हम लोग ट्रैक करके पूरा ऊपर तक पहुंच गए थे। ऊपर एक शिवा टेम्पल भी है एंड यहाँ से व्यू बहुत बहुत प्यारा है। आई मीन यू कैन सी द एंटायर पंचगनी, महाबलेश्वर, एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम हियर। और इसी तरीके से हमारे पुराने फोर्ट्स डिज़ाइन किए जाते थे। ये हमेशा हिल टॉप पे बनाए जाते थे ताकि जब दुश्मन कहीं दूर से अटैक करने के लिए दुश्मन की सेना आ रही है, दे कैन साइड देम वे बिफोर दे आर नियर टू द फोर्ट। और अभी भी यहाँ पे जो पुराने यहाँ पे सैनिक हुआ करते थे एंड वर्कर्स हुआ करते थे, उनकी जनरेशन अभी भी यहाँ पे ही रहती है। तो ये जो आप देख पा रहे हैं शेड्स, इन्हीं में उनकी फैमिलीज रहती है। एंड दे हैव ओपन सम स्मॉल फूड पॉइंट्स, स्नैक्स पॉइंट्स एंड टी स्टॉल्स विद व्हिच दे आर मेकिंग देयर लिविंग these days. And this fort is not undertaken by government, this is privately maintained by generation of Shivaji Maharaj. और after visiting the fort, heading back towards, शाम हो गई थी, so we had no time, we just did little shopping on the way और उसके बाद हम डायरेक्ट इवेंट में। And first thing when we reached here we saw was the dirt race here. And then we watched this stunt group which was organized by Pulsar, and it was really nice. So all that vroom sound, tire skidding noise, burning of rubber, this was really amazing.
Full power, keep the music going on, man.
he already know when it's here. My dog will probably do it for Louis Bell. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him. Yeah, I tried to show him. Yeah, 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 yeah. Going on you with the pick and roll. Yellow flame, he in single mode.
Alright, so this is the last one.
And after this trend show, we spent some time visiting other kiosks, and we also booked our leather vest with our club logo. I'll be sharing that once we receive the parcel. And after doing all that shopping, we just went to the stage area जहाँ पे अंतरिक्ष बैंड ने धूम मचा रखी थी. And as अंतरिक्ष बैंड ended, it was time for King entry. King ने आके कमाल तो मचाया, but अगर एंट्री भी कमाल होती तो और अच्छा लगता. And here's a few glimpses of his performance. And after that, it was time to say bye bye to IBW, and so we just went home and sleep because next morning we suited up early in the morning to start our journey. It was not that early, to be frank. We started around I think 9:30 or so. ये जो नॉन राइडिंग गियर में आप जैसे देख रहे हो, he was the caretaker of the villa and yummiest cook I have ever seen in any of the Airbnb. So we started back with lots of memories and full camera memory as well. What you see on my tank bag is one of the goodie I got from Gulf. It's like a number plate and they wrote my name on that. It's made up of metal. So I found that to be a good place to keep it because anyways I'm not going to put it on my bike. So that's all. मौसम बहुत अच्छा है. We plan to cover Hyderabad again in daytime, and we'll reach there by night because we started late. It will be dark, but not very dark. I think we should reach to our home by 9:30 or so. Let's see. and that's a fly pass by our group. बहुत मज़ा आया यार, बहुत ही मज़ा आया। और रात के बज चुके हैं 9:30। मैं ऑलमोस्ट आई एम नियर टू माई होम। दिस इज़ Neopolis area in Hyderabad and I live in Narsingi, which is about 5 to 6 kilometers from here. So overall बहुत अच्छा टाइम गया। I think we rode after a long time for this long, so everything was really nice. We had a great time. इवेंट भी अच्छा था, बट वही मोटोवर्स से अगर मैं इसे कंपेयर करूँ तो आई वुड प्रेफर मोटोवर्स नेक्स्ट टाइम। मल्टीपल रीजन बेसिकली। वन इज़ it's much more managed. Artist lineup is better. IBW was okay. Artist lineup was decent enough, but like this time they had Euphoria coming in Motoverse, and that is one of my favorite band from my childhood days. So I did miss that because we already booked IBW before. This year, next year I'll prefer to go to Motoverse, and let's see. By the time I'm recording this video, it's already 2026, so that will be this year only. Yeah, this year in November we'll go to. And with that, I can also tell you guys about our next ride. So our next ride is going to be towards North India, and we are planning to go to Rishikesh for Bob MC event. So, and I'm sure it's gonna be much more fun because I am from North India. My parents stay in Delhi, so I'll be going to Delhi and then I will be going to Rishikesh. और इस चीज़ से एक अलग ही अटैचमेंट होता है, राइट, कि आपने जिन गलियों में बाइक चलाना सीखा है उन गलियों में आप अपनी बाइक लेके जाओगे, तो वो चीज़ के लिए आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. We'll be recording that and I'll be sharing the vlog. So it's gonna be in February. So we are planning to start on Jan end from Hyderabad. So what I'm planning is we'll reach Delhi in 2 days and then I can work from home for 1 week, and the next weekend I can attend the Bob MC event. तो हम पहुंच गए हैं अपने घर और मज़ा तो बहुत आया एंड इट वाज अ फन राइड यार. आई मीन आज हमने बहुत अच्छा कवर कर लिया. आई थिंक वी डिड एंड टू एंड गेट टू गेट इन 11 hours विद ऑल द ब्रेक्स एंड इट वाज रियली अ नाइस राइड. सो विद दैट आई वुड साइन ऑफ फॉर नाउ एंड जहाँ से ब्लॉग शुरू किया था वहीं पे इसे ख़त्म करते हैं. Goodbye, see you all in our next vlog, and if you like it, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.